made Gizzy.
Are you ready? Let's begin our first tree lesson. Today, we are going to learn something very special, the tree alphabet. Tree intro, dear. The tree alphabet has 22 letters. Some are just like English letters, but others are unique. Let's take a look. A, B, D, A, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, N, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y.
Grandma Martha, we think we can do it too. Should we give it a try?
Let's say it together.
A, B, D, A, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y.
Great job, everyone. My dear pa. Good job.
A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y.
Thank you for watching.